Okay, YouTube. So this is a super quick video showing you how to get an Uber Eats promo code for $100 for completely free. This is a Uber Eats promo code that you can apply in the app, and is going to basically provide you with $100 of free credit straight into your Uber Eats account, guys. And this is super easy. I discovered this method a few weeks ago, and this is basically a rewards website that I'm going to show you in this tutorial, and it's going to basically give you $100 of credit in your account, and all you have to do is complete a couple of simple tasks, and that's what I'm going to show you today. So you need to use your mobile phone. You can see I've got my iPhone here. Doesn't matter if you have an Android, just make sure you open up the internet, have an internet connection, and go to the following website: www.cellhero.x. Oops. Sorry guys, why am I pressing that? XYZ. So cellhero.xyz. I'll also put the website somewhere on the screen so you can copy it. But yeah, basically this is a rewards website where you get rewarded for completing some simple tasks, and this is the easiest one to do, guys. You're going to be able to get a $100 promo code for Uber Eats by simply completing 2 tasks. So it says here, receive reward by completing tasks. How to receive your chosen reward: click the button to see your tasks. Make sure you're on a mobile device. Choose and complete 2 of the tasks. Make sure to follow the instructions carefully, and then choose and claim your reward. So you can see you need to click on this button here, guys, that says claim now. Now, I'm not going to do this. I'm going to skip this step just to make this video quicker. But once you fully complete 2 tasks, making sure you follow the instructions, so you click the button, complete 2 tasks, then it's going to redirect you to this website where you have to choose your reward, guys. Now, there's hundreds of pages on here, including, of course, Uber Eats promo code. So you need to basically go to the search bar and type in Uber Eats, and it should pop up here: Uber Eats free credit and food coupons. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that, guys. And there we go. You can get a $100 Uber Eats account credit code. Now, if you followed the instructions on the previous screen, this code will be fully revealed. So yeah, you have to make sure you, of course, complete the tasks to get this code. But yeah, this is a $100 promo code, and you literally enter that into your account. So go to Cell Hero and just follow these instructions, guys. Make sure you fully complete 2 tasks to then go ahead and redeem your reward. So enjoy, guys, and I'll see you next time.